This is an AI magic sticker printer that can chat, draw, and print. Equipped with an advanced large AI model, it supports continuous context-aware conversations, acting as a caring companion for kids as they grow up.
Draw an octopus wearing sunglasses and playing the guitar.
Ah! A cool octopus wearing sunglasses playing guitar! Great!
Simply speak out your ideas, and it will instantly generate exquisite illustrations for any imaginative creation you can think of. Print black and white line art stickers with one tap, allowing children to stick them anywhere and color freely for endless fun. Beyond creation, it can chat with kids, tell fun stories, and play all kinds of educational mini-games. No drawing skills required. This single device integrates 4 core functions: chatting, drawing, printing, and early education. Tialung AI Magic Printer. Embrace AI. Create a childlike future.
I'm Troy, a magical green dragon from ancient legends. I love drawing stickers for you and making English learning cards. We can have lots of fun together. What would you like to do?